Oh hi. So I've been asked to make a video of the drone so you can see exactly what's going wrong with it. Alright, and just so you can see, this is the SD card that was supplied with the drone. It's been freshly formatted to FAT32 with the default allocation size. So that's version 1.06.4. I've also tried it with 1.7, 1.8, and 1.9.6, the latest, and none of them have worked, so I'll show you what this does. Alright, so this is the SD card supplied with the drone. I'm just gonna chuck it in here. The drone is powered off, as well as the controller, and obviously my phone isn't connected to anything, so the application on my phone is not running. Alright, so the battery has been charged. I also have a second battery fully charged, and I've tried it with both. I've also tried a different SD card just to make sure that wasn't the fault. So as you can see, the drone does power up, and that's the gimbal running its check. It should do a quick pan. There we go. And then that's about all that happens. As you can see, there's no LED on the camera status. That doesn't come on at all. With the firmware upgrade, it's supposed to flash between red and green for about 30 minutes. And this is all it will do as long as you leave it on. There's a bit of a clicking noise that comes from the sensors at the back here, if you can hear that. But that's really all about that does. So I will power on the remote. There you go, and that's got a green LED showing that it is connecting to the drone. Okay, so this is with my one of the phones that I've tried connecting to the RC. As you can see, it comes up with the Phantom 3 Professional, even though this is clearly the advanced model. But go into camera view, and this is what I initially get. So overall status updates required. States that the firmware on the aircraft itself and the battery obviously needs upgrading. So this quite obviously proves that it's not updating from the SD card. For the record, I have left the SD card in there with the drone running, just assuming that it was doing the update for over an hour, and still absolutely nothing. So this is what I get on my smartphone. No signal, no camera view. The camera on the drone is still deactive. I get nothing from that, and still no camera status light. So I'm just gonna try repairing the remote remotely, so you can see that this does work. There we go. And the lights start flashing, telling me that it's searching for the drone. And I will put this little guy in here, hold it down for about 5 seconds. And linking complete. So once it's linked, go back to the main view, and it's the exact same story. Still no signal, and still unable to access the camera functions from the application. And that's really all about, that's yeah, pretty much all I get from it. And so just to list the troubleshooting steps that I've gone through already. Obviously I've tried using the 2 different batteries that were supplied, updating the firmware on both of those, using 2 different SD cards, 2 different phones, 2 different computers to format the SD card. Unable to format the SD card using the drone software from the app because it won't let me access any of the camera options. I have tried charging the batteries to full, both of them. Obviously I've tried relinking it several times. I've called the DJI support team a couple times now just to confirm that I've gone through all the troubleshooting steps, and that's led nowhere. So that's why I'm making this video for you. Hope you like it.